Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you delicious Christmas dessert. White chocolate cheesecake with Christmas spices and berries. So let's do it. And let's start with the bottom. You have basically two ways to go. You can just buy some sort of cookies, crush them and press them down, or you can make your own biscuit on the bottom. So today I will do the second option. Exact recipes you can find in the description down below. I'm using walnuts today, but you can use different nuts if you like them. I blitz them in the blender and add plain flour, sugar and soft butter. You can do this process even in the mixing bowl if you want to. When everything is combined, you can roll it easily in between two baking papers. And you can adjust the thickness for you. I will do quite nice thin layer, but it can be much thicker if you prefer. Then I can cut it depending on my mold. And by the way, I'm using 24 cm ring today. You can do some holes with a fork that helps you to keep it flat. And now I'm gonna bake it at 170 degrees Celsius until color, so for this thickness around 10 minutes. So the bottom is inside the oven. And now let's start with my strawberry gel infused with lemon balm. So I mix strawberry juice, lemon juice and fresh lemon balm. If you don't have lemon balm, mint will work fine. I bring it to the boil and leave it outside the heat for around 30 minutes to infuse the herbs. Then you can strain it, mix it with agar powder, cook it for 3 minutes and leave it to set in any kind of mold. You can use really any mold or pan you have, or even make it bigger and then cut it with a ring. You just have to put some cling film on the bottom so you can actually take it out. The point is, you don't want to put hot gel on top of the biscuit, so I leave it to set alone and then I put it on the top. The biscuit is also ready, so let's do the last layer. And the last layer will be the cheese mix, so let's do it. You need sugar, cream cheese, condensed milk, white chocolate, gelatine and spices. I will use cinnamon, ginger and cloves to make it Christmas style, but you can use different spices if you want to. You have to start with mixing gelatin powder with water and leave it on the side. The next step is to melt the chocolate on bain-marie. And then you can mix your cheese with sugar in the mixing bowl. When combined, slowly add your condensed milk and after that the chocolate. In the end, I melt my set gelatin in the microwave for a few minutes and I mix it also in. The best way is to mix your cheese inside the gelatin first and then mix all together. The last step is to season it with spices. Like I said, I am using cinnamon, cloves and ginger. I will leave you a recipe for this cheese mix below the video, but there will be no amounts of these spices. You do it how you like. You're not trying to make my cake. And as you can see, I'm not using a scale anyway, so I have nothing to tell you, because why you need scale if you can just taste it, right? My gel is set now, so I can take it out from the glass and I move it on top of my biscuit. I mean, my way is a little bit tricky and dangerous, but you can probably find a better way. Now you can put the rest of the cake form on the top with baking paper around the edges. And then you can put your cheese and chocolate mix in. I will make it flat with spatula and put some blueberries and raspberries on the top for decoration and taste. You can use different berries, also some citrus zest or spices if you like. But before you cut into it, you have to leave it inside the fridge overnight. Next day, you can take it out of the form and cut your portions. And I think this is a success. What do you think, guys? Will you try to make it at home? Let me know in the comments. I wish you all a happy Christmas. If you're first time here, welcome. And if you are here for some time, thanks for your support, and I hope my videos made you a better cook. And if you want to learn another cool fine dining Christmas dessert, check out this video and learn my recipe with gingerbread, apples, apricots and almonds. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.